Today I'm back here at Drayton Manor for their fireworks event for their 75th anniversary. It's the end of summer, so they're doing the end of summer send-off fireworks. As you can see here, the platform for the fireworks right there. It's usually further up there, which is cool to see behind the scenes. I've also seen accelerator testing. Air race is back open today, which is good. The bounty's still closed, but it's alright. I'm sorry I didn't vlog on Monday, but that's probably my worst ever visit to Drayton. The weather was just not even the weather. The ops were terrible. The capacity, there was like 8,900 people and the park could not cope with it. Gold Rush was on 130 minutes. Absolutely mad queues, but hopefully it's a little bit quieter today. So I'll speak to you in a minute when I'm round to the main entrance. First one's in, we're going to head straight over to the wave. See you in a minute. Nice stroll over to the wave. Maelstrom not yet opened. I've not actually seen the test. I've seen the wave test 3 times, so get over to the wave as most promising to open today. See you in a minute. Should be on the first train of the day. Hopefully it's front row and quite smooth. Row 1 on the wave. Just had a great front row first ride of the day there on the wave. Amazing, really forceful, really whippy. Now I'm going to jump onto the Adventure Cove River Rapids as they're on a 0-minute queue. See you in a minute. Just had a good ride on the River Rapids. Luckily some of the effects are on today, so we've actually got a little bit wet. So now I'm going to head over to Air Race and get riding there. See you in a minute. I will not be riding Air Race as it is stuck. So I'm going to head over to Maelstrom now. Get on there for a nice ride on there. See you in a minute. Maelstrom has broken down, so now I'm going to head over to Air Race as it's reopened. See you in a minute. Just came off Air Race there, the Zamperla Air Race. Really good that. Quite a long cycle and you get quite enough hang time on there, so yeah, good ride. Now going to head over to Frontier Falls and I'll see you in a minute. Really good queues actually. Gold Rush 5 minutes. I don't really believe that, but let's go and have a look if Gold Rush is on 5 minutes. See you in a minute in Frontier Falls. This is new, but it looks really cool actually. A new board by accelerator telling you all the heights. I actually really like that, that's awesome. Now we're going to head over to either Gold Rush or the Haunting, because Gold Rush says it's on 5 minutes. Surely not for this ride, as it's still on one train and only running cycle 1. See you in a minute. That is never 5 minutes, that's like 70 minutes. Yep, going to head on to the Haunting, and hopefully it's quieter. Good ride there on the Haunting. I think I'm going to jump back on there because there's no queue on it, to be honest with you. So yeah, going to jump back on here, walk on. And the rumours are, this is getting thousands of pounds spent on it next year, so hopefully it'll be good. See you in a minute. Jumping onto Accelerator, advertised 30-minute queue. See you in a minute. Amazing ride there on Gold Rush there. Really got quite good airtime, and it's got quite a long queue. The ops are not great on there, I'll say. They released the restraints twice while we're in there, but apart from that, amazing. I think I'm gonna head for lunch now maybe, or jump on the Haunting because that's got no queue. Apparently there's only 4.4k in today, so that's way less than on Monday, so yeah, should be a moderate good day. For £8.80, that's pretty good value for money with pass discount. That's really good. 2 Vikings now to get a ride on Jormungandr, Thor and Loki. See you in a minute. See you in a minute. Amazing ride there on Jormungandr, yeah, it's going strong since 1987. So yeah, it's great. It's a little bit rough on some of the edges, but apart from that, it's an amazing ride in itself. An amazing junior coaster from Zamperla back in the day. See you in a minute. I'm going to jump on Loki for my first time this season. See you in a minute. Gonna jump onto the Zamperla Disco from 2022 Thor, as Loki's operations are terrible, and I hope this queue shouldn't be too bad. Speak to you in a minute. Just had a really good ride there on Thor behind me. Honestly, that might be one of my favourite rides on the park. It's the airtime you get on there. It's a little bit bouncy, but New Zamperlas are like that, to be honest with you, so it is what it is. Now I'm going to head over to the Rapids, I think, and get another ride on there, because why not? Time for the Adventure Cove River Rapids. Walk on ride there onto the Adventure Cove River Rapids, yeah? Really good. The effect, actually, I've not seen this one effect, which is the one where you go to the scene at the back and it blows upwards. I've not seen that one in years, so It's great to see. It's now started to rain a little bit, so don't know what ride I'll go on next. Hopefully the queues will die down if it's raining. Speak to you in a minute. Time to jump onto Maelstrom, the 2002 Intermanjaro swing. Can't wait to get a night ride on here tonight. It's going to be sick, honestly. The force, the airtime, insane. And it's a long ride cycle, so you can't complain at all. Speak to you in a minute on the wave. Amazing ride on the rapids there. All the effects are actually working today, which is great. I've not seen that in ages, but yeah, apart from that, amazing. I really enjoyed that. I'll get some off-ride shots now, and then I'll speak to you in a minute. See you in a minute. Oh, they're stuck on the lift.
Wait, what?
Yeah, the lift stopped.
He always happens, bro.
Oh no, it's went back. This is the only reason I go back row.
Yeah. That goes back. Awesome.
Quite rattly as well.
It is so rattly, this boy. Lost the wave sometimes. Wave night rides sometimes.
Just came off Sheriff Showdown there. Really good ride on there. Now I'm gonna go on to Gold Rush and I'll speak to you in a minute. Insane, bro. What is going on? Mental. Gonna jump onto the Adventure Cove River Rapids as the wave is currently experiencing a temporary delay. Speak to you in a minute. The wave's down again. These people are stuck in the actual restraints, so I doubt we'll get a night ride on the wave. May as well go over to Gold Rush and try and get one on there, but man, it's mad, isn't it? Ride availability is shocking. I mean, not really got everything, but the wave. Gold Rush hasn't went down at all today. Mad, honestly, I tell you. I've done low-key all season. I think it's time to do it. Let's jump onto a walk-on accelerator. Speak to you in a minute. Ride on accelerator, really amazing ups on accelerator there. They're Park's Junior Vekoma Boomerang. Now I'm going to jump onto the Haunting if it's quiet, and I'll see you in a minute. Just came off the Haunting, the Park's Vekoma Madhouse that opened in 1996. Really good ride on there, and there were loads of effects working. None were like off or anything. So now I'm going to head over to the Adventure Cove River Rapids. So it's on like a 5-minute wait. See you in a minute. Onto the Adventure Cove River Rapids, which opened in 1993, which was closed in 2017 and reopened in 2021 after a big revamp. Speak to you in a minute, as I think it's got no queue.
Please remain seated and hold on to the center lane at all times. Thank you for riding to the rapids. Incoming enters until instructed to exit the boat.
Jump onto air race now, the Zamperla air race here at Drayton Manor. Came off air race behind me, like a 10-minute wait. It's so quiet. It's great, I tell you. Can't wait for fireworks later. Now I'm going to head up into Frontier Falls. Got in on a few rides there, I'll speak to you in a minute. I'm now going to head up to Gold Rush and use the fast track on there. And then, hopefully, before 8 o'clock I can jump on the Haunting again. Because I just love that ride. Speak to you in a second. Time to jump onto Gold Rush. The best family coaster in the UK. Just came off my last ride of the night on Gold Rush, and now I'm going to get onto the Haunting for my last ride down here. See you in a minute. Going to jump onto the Haunting for my last ride of the night on here, and oh my god, it looks good at night, doesn't it? Really atmospheric. See you in a minute. Going to jump onto the Haunting for a sunset ride on here. Speak to you in a minute. Amazing ride there on the Haunting at night. It is much better in the night than in the day, I tell you now. It is so creepy in there. One thing, the lights stayed on in there the whole time, which wasn't great, but yeah, I'm now going to head over to Maelstrom and get some shots of Gold Rush at night, I think. See you in a minute. It's 8:30 and all the rides have closed here at Drayton Manor. I thought they were open till 9, but same as last time by the looks of it. But got my last ride of the day on the Haunting. I don't regret it. It was an amazing ride there. Now I'm going to get a good spot for the fireworks, and I'll show you them in a minute. See you in a bit.
This is Drayton Manor. It's a great day out for all the family. Drayton Manor Park and Zoo. There really is something for everyone. Fabulous rides, the zoo and lots more. Plenty to see, plenty to do. And it's...
It's 160 acres of natural parkland with something for all the family.
Since our first struck gold here in Frontier Park.
Ending off the night here at Gold Rush after the fireworks. It looks so good at night, it's so well presented with the lighting. I'm going to get a few more shots of it and then I'm going to end with an intro. See you in a minute. This ride is such well presented with its lighting, it looks amazing at night. Shame I didn't get a night ride on it this time, but I will sometime this year. I'm going to get the outro now and I'll speak to you in a minute. Another amazing day here at Drayton Manor. The ops have been great, the queues have been okay, better than Monday, oh my god. It's been such a good day here. I'm finishing by Thor, the Zamperla disco coaster, which I went on twice today, and it's been a good day. The fireworks are amazing. It was amazing. I really enjoyed it. So I'm going to wrap up here. The only problem was how it was a little bit organised. They said the rides will close at 9, like the Wave, Maelstrom and Air Race, but of course they closed the area at 8, which, come on, it could have been organised a little bit better. The fireworks were great though. Overall, it's been an amazing day here at Drayton Manor. A drastic improvement from my last visit on Monday, because that was bad. So I'm going to leave you now, and I'll speak to you in a few weeks' time. No, actually, next week, back here at Drayton Manor on Monday. See you in a minute.